What's up, CG crew? Welcome back to the channel. It is I, Tamala, back today with another video. In today's video, as you can see from the thumbnail and the title, I'm going to be showing you guys what I got. So yeah, I went to Bath and Body Works. I'm not going to tell y'all when. Just know that this video, I've been, putting it off. I don't know why, just being lazy, but I definitely need to do this video. I also want to let you guys know that the channel is a family channel. It's not just, grocery hauls and grocery store runs and shop with me's. It's just that that's what I do a lot. I go to the grocery store at least about twice a week, and that's because I go to multiple stores different times because when the sales and stuff go on. So yeah, I just wanted to put that out there. But anyway, back to business. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button that's right there. Tap the notification bell that's right beside it. Give this video a nice thumbs up. We will appreciate it because we know you're gonna like it. So yeah, get into the haul. We're gonna start off with the candles first. This light is in my eye, so I'm definitely going to try to see. I may end up taking my glasses off as well. But anyway, so this is the Cactus Blossom. Is this my first time buying this candle? I think so. Yeah, so the fragrant notes are cactus, flower petal, sun-kissed coconut, vanilla, fresh sparkling lemon with essential oils. Also, we have now this is my first time buying this, the Surf Shop. It smells so good. It reminds me of, it got, I can't think, but of course, all of the candles have some scent that we've smelled before in another candle or one another. Like I was saying, the notes are oceanside birch, sparkling waves, summer spruce, sage, and natural essential oils. And this is the Surf Shop. This one is the Mango Waters. I usually, like I said, I don't go for sweet too much, but this is Mango Waters. This is actually for my mom, so that's why this is here. And the notes are sugared mangoes, pink grapefruit, fresh seagrass, and essential oils. But it smells pretty good. So, and then the last candle we have is the Eucalyptus Mint. Yeah. Oh boy. Of course, the notes are fresh eucalyptus, sweet spearmint, lemon peel, clary sage, and essential oils. So yeah, anything with that eucalyptus smell is so bomb. And we also have some room sprays. We have the Black Cherry Merlot. Oh, the Black Cherry Merlot, that candle, OMG. Phew. But anyway, y'all know about that Black Cherry Merlot, And then the Champagne Toast. I still haven't burned my Champagne Toast candle. I bought that during the candle sale back in December. Yeah, I'm not too crazy. I mean, I'm not gonna say I'm not too crazy about it. I just have to, I don't know, but yeah. This is the Champagne Toast room spray. So yeah, it's okay. And we're gonna go to the sprays now. This is the Waikiki Beach Coconut. I like this spray. I had another spray, the coconut spray, but Moo she couldn't wait until I do the haul so I can show, you know, everything I purchased. She started, you know, using it. But that's okay. But I bought this one for myself, the Waikiki coconut, because it smells really good. I really don't go for coconut like that, but you know, I'm pretty sure this will be going to her also. And Moochie, she picked up these hand sanitizers, the champagne toast and the black cherry Merlot. So that's pretty the reason why I bought the champagne toast room spray, because she likes champagne toast. And then this is just a little gift that I had, because you know they send the little things in the mail. So this is what I got, the aromatherapy stress relief. Of course, you know, this is the eucalyptus and the spearmint, and it's just the little pocket size body wash and foam bath. Okay, now the Magnolia Charm. This was my first time purchasing this. Excuse me. Yeah, I like the smell. I really like it. I can't wait. Excuse me. I can't wait to use it. But the notes are dewy pear blossom, blooming magnolia, and fresh cedar. And that's the Magnolia Charm Shower Gel. And I bought this for the the hero. He's our hero. Yeah, this is the 3-in-1, the hair, face, and body wash. The notes for this one is fresh cardamom, yeah, vetiver root, and white cedar. I probably pronounced that wrong, but vetiver root, and it smells really good. I think I was going between this one and I think Legend, but I chose the Hero, which smells really nice. So you already know. And then I bought this. This is my first time buying this. This is the Into the Night glowing body scrub. So the notes on this one is raspberry noir, amber crystals, velvety rose petals, creamy patchouli, and matcha musk. Mocha musk. Yeah. So yeah, you guys, that is all what I purchased from Bath and Body Works this last go round, which was a few weeks ago. So and I think next month they're gonna have the another sale, I think in June. I think it's the one of those semi sales. So yeah, if you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, give this video a nice thumbs up, leave a nice comment. We will appreciate it, because we know you're gonna like it. Until the next one, see y'all later. Bye bye.